There's a noticeable difference between making pizza outdoors and creating an experience people genuinely remember. And once you've used a large format pizza oven with proper heat consistency, it becomes surprisingly difficult to go back. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on premium products that deliver meaningful long-term value rather than short-term excitement. Today, we're looking at the Ooni Koda 2 Max Propane Gas Pizza Oven. This is a large-capacity outdoor pizza oven designed for serious home entertainers, pizza enthusiasts, and anyone who wants restaurant-style cooking performance in their own backyard. If you regularly cook for family, host gatherings, or simply want more control and versatility than compact pizza ovens typically offer, this product becomes immediately relevant. And if you'd like to explore pricing or specifications further, the purchase link is available in the description below. The Ooni Koda 2 Max stands out because it combines scale, heat precision, and smart cooking technology in a way that feels genuinely refined rather than overly complicated. It's built for people who value consistency just as much as speed. Reason 1. Exceptional cooking space for entertaining. One of the defining advantages of the Ooni Koda 2 Max is its oversized 24-inch cooking area. Most portable pizza ovens are designed around single, smaller pizzas, which can become limiting during gatherings. Here, you can cook two 12-inch pizzas side by side or prepare a large 20-inch pizza with room to spare. In practical use, this dramatically improves cooking flow when feeding multiple people. It feels less like a compact outdoor gadget and more like a serious outdoor cooking appliance designed around real entertaining. Reason 2. More even heat distribution improves cooking results. Ooni's G2 gas technology uses tapered flame burners designed to reduce cold spots across the pizza stone. This matters because uneven heat is one of the most common frustrations with outdoor pizza ovens. By creating more balanced cooking conditions, the Koda 2 Max helps deliver more consistent crust texture, properly melted toppings, and fewer burnt edges or undercooked sections. The difference becomes especially noticeable during back-to-back cooking sessions. Reason 3. Dual-zone cooking adds real versatility. The independently controlled dual burners allow users to create separate cooking zones inside the oven. This opens up more possibilities than traditional pizza-only use. You can manage heat differently across the cooking surface for vegetables, meats, or varying pizza styles without constantly adjusting the entire oven temperature. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this flexibility is one of the reasons experienced outdoor cooks continue to gravitate toward the Ooni platform. Reason 4. Smart temperature monitoring reduces guesswork. The Ooni Connect digital temperature hub adds a more modern cooking experience without making the process feel overly technical. Real-time temperature monitoring helps you know exactly when the stone is ready, while included food probes improve precision for meats and other dishes. Instead of repeatedly checking manually, the system allows you to focus more on the cooking experience itself and less on constant monitoring. For busy gatherings, that convenience becomes genuinely valuable. Reason 5. Built for long-term outdoor use. From the overall construction quality to the extended warranty support, the Koda 2 Max feels designed for long-term ownership rather than occasional novelty use. The propane-powered setup keeps operations straightforward, while Ooni's optional extended 5-year warranty provides additional confidence for buyers making a premium outdoor cooking investment. Final verdict: the Ooni Koda 2 Max is not intended for casual buyers looking for the smallest or cheapest pizza oven available. It occupies a more premium category focused on cooking capacity, heat precision, and versatility. The larger footprint does require more outdoor space, and there is naturally a learning curve when mastering high-temperature pizza cooking. But for buyers who regularly entertain, appreciate authentic pizza results, and want more flexibility from an outdoor oven, those compromises feel entirely justified. This is best suited for serious home cooks, outdoor entertainers, and families who value both performance and experience. What makes it stand out is not just the size or technology, but how confidently it delivers consistent results under real-world use. And often, that consistency is what transforms a good cooking tool into one people genuinely enjoy using for years.